So African people, you have to be careful. Protect yourself. Make sure protect your mommy and daddy or your uncle and auntie. Please protect them. So I'm here to keep you safe, and then I'm doing the story and talking about coronavirus. So please, you have to keep your baby sister or baby brother safe, okay? Even if you don't let your kids wash your hand, they touch their auntie and uncle or auntie and or mommy and daddy, they'll get sick. Please, I'm here to get you safe. See, everybody's scared. Don't be scared. Queen is here. Please, be careful. Be careful. Please, African people. Please, African people. Please. Number 1, guri dog. Number 2, gacanta la dag. Number 3, a hagren misataben in khof. Number 4, 6 feet khof kabah. Number 5, khof kaloto guri ala aden. Number 6, Allahi kabso duko. Malia gurigin jooga gacmihiina dhaqda is alaaliya. Stay safe, stay home, please.